Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to shoot RAW photos with the 200 megapixel f1.4 main lens on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you want to take RAW photos, which are basically photos that aren't upscaled or aren't edited by the built-in AI, all you need to do is open up the camera app, tap on More, and then select the Expert RAW option. Now, you're going to need to download the option because it doesn't come pre-installed, but it is free and is an official option. It's official from Samsung. And now all you have to do is just wait for the option to install, and it's going to open up by itself after it installs. So there we go. The Expert RAW feature is almost done downloading, and once it's downloaded, we're going to see it available in the More tab, and now we can tap on it, and it's going to take us to it. We need to allow the use of camera, so while using the app, and the microphone too, and just pretty much everything, and allow all, and there we go. This is the RAW camera, and now we have some options that we can play around with. So we have the megapixel count, we have the RAW, JPEG, RAW, and JPEG modes. So we're going to select RAW for this one, and that is pretty much it. So now let's take a 200 megapixel RAW photo. And this is what it's going to look like. So it's pretty much unchanged and untouched by any of the upscaling. And if you want to take night photos, all you need to do is just play around with the shutter speed and the ISO, and also the white balance. And that is pretty much it. This is how you use the feature. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.